What is going on, guys? Rachel here with another video, and this one does contain the Blueberry M3. So just doing some maintenance work on it, but gonna take you guys along for the ride while this tropical storm here in Florida takes over the weekend. So may as well get some stuff done, right? So, little overview. Valve cover's off because my valve train has been ticking a lot, and I just wanted to measure the clearances I have between the lobe and the lifters, make sure the valves were, where they need to be. Everything seemed to have checked out, so kind of concluding that because I went with a thicker oil in it, maybe it's a little too thick, that it's not making itself all the way up through the head. That's why the valve train's getting a little louder. So we're gonna do a little oil change here. I'm gonna change my transmission fluid out and gotta diagnose some little problems here and there. Not much else has changed with the car other than I balded my tires, so I'm gonna get some new tires on here soon. But other than that, we're gonna go ahead and take you guys along for the ride in the fun of the Blueberry. Got some new rubbers for the rears because the old ones were bald. I'm sure you guys saw. Hair's up. Hair's a mess. Don't mind me. Working girl, Yeah, so the valve cover's on. Go ahead and show you guys. I tried doing like a base coat with like wrinkle paint, and I thought it would kind of look cool with like color over it, but didn't come out too good. I mean, it just kind of looks like old and aged and stuff, so that's what she looks like with the beauty cover on. I mean, First time me laying paint, can't complain. Definitely had a good strategy there. Just I didn't sandblast or take enough paint off to where it's a really smooth surface on top of the wrinkle paint, so that's what we got for now, but it's all good. So we are gonna go ahead, put these tires on. She's got some new ATF, and yes, it does take ATF because this is a 95 one-year only car, came with 5-speed. So this specific ZF Trans 5-speed takes ATF. Put some D4 in it, you know, all the good stuff. And then fresh oil change. So I did start her up yesterday. She's sounding really rough, so I'm gonna go ahead and smoke test her and go from there. Alright guys, that's going to go ahead and wrap up the video for today. I just wanted to throw some things together, give you guys an update on the progress that I've been making recently, especially on this little work of art here. If you guys do see behind me, I did add something else to it. Stay tuned for the next video because it is going to be, you know, cleaning this seat up because it's been sitting for over a year now. It used to live in the Mustang, but, you know, Mustang's forever going to be a work in progress. But, glad to be fixing this thing up, you know, at the same time working on the Mustang. We do have some Mustang content coming soon. Just tying up a couple of loose ends and situating some things and I got going on in my personal life. This thing is just literally like a couch hopper, but it's like a driveway hopper. So she's getting some work done. Either way, I digress. I do want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll go ahead and catch you later.